With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So the question says, select the correct sequence of reproduction events in humans. The options are 1. Fertilization, insemination, gestation, parturition. Option 2. Insemination, gestation, implantation, parturition. Option 3. Gametogenesis, fertilization, implantation, parturition. And option 4. Gametogenesis, implantation, insemination. So when we talk about the reproduction in humans, we know that the reproduction in humans is of sexual type. Okay. So there is sexual reproduction in case of humans. Okay. So when we talk about the sequence or the events occurring in sexual reproduction in case of humans. Okay. So first of all, the most important subject to be required for sexual reproduction is formation of gametes. Okay. So first of all, we know that in sexual reproduction, there has to be a male gamete and a female gamete. So for the process of fertilization and formation of zygote. So first of all, there should be gametogenesis. There should be gametogenesis. Okay. Now what is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes. Okay. If there is formation of the male gamete, we call it as male gametogenesis. Okay. And if there is formation of the female gamete, we call it as female gametogenesis. So formation of the male and female gamete is called as gametogenesis, and this is the first step in case of sexual reproduction in humans. Okay. Now after the gametes have been formed, the gametes, okay, you know that the male gamete has to reach the female gamete in order to fertilize. Okay. So what happens is the male gamete has to be transferred into the body or the genital tract of the female. This process is called as insemination. So insemination is release of semen or release of sperms in the female genital tract. Right? Now what happens because of this? Because of this, the male gamete reaches the female gamete. Okay? Once the male gamete reaches the female gamete, what happens is the next step is the male gamete fuses with the female gamete. Okay? And this process is called as fertilization. Okay. So the next process is called as fertilization. Right. Now the male gamete has fused with the female gamete. After this fusion, what happens is a zygote is formed. Okay. A zygote is formed, and then this zygote gets implanted. That it grows and it gets implanted into the endometrium of the uterus. Okay. This process is called as implantation. This process is called as implantation. Now as soon as implantation occurs, the zygote starts developing into a new baby, okay, inside the womb of the mother. Now this pregnancy continues for a period of 9 months as an average, and this entire duration of pregnancy is called as gestation. Okay. So after implantation, gestation occurs. What is gestation? Gestation is the period of pregnancy of 9 months. Okay. And after the period of 9 months, what happens is after 9 months, the baby is fully grown. So it has to move out of the genital tract into the free environment. Okay. So there is delivery of the baby, and this process of delivery of baby from the female genital tract is called as parturition. It's called as parturition. So this is the basic outline of all the events occurring in the reproductive system of the humans. Okay, so first of all, gametogenesis, followed by insemination, followed by fertilization, followed by implantation, followed by gestation, followed by parturition. So after this, we will look which is the correct option which is following this sequence. So in option 1, we have fertilization first, followed by insemination. You can see itself that insemination occurs first, then fertilization occurs. So option 1 cannot be my answer. When I look at option 2 is first insemination is occurring, followed by gestation, followed by implantation, followed by parturition. So you can see that first implantation occurs, then gestation occurs. So this is also not the proper sequence. Option 3, first gametogenesis occurs, right? Then fertilization occurs, right? Then implantation occurs, right? And at the end parturition occurs, right? So this is the correct option. Let's look at option 4 also. First gametogenesis occurs? Yes. Then implantation occurs? No. First insemination occurs, then implantation occurs. So this also is the wrong option. So after looking at all the options, I can say that option 3 is the correct sequence of reproductive events in case of humans. So I hope I have answered your doubt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.